Why is twisting so dangerous? And why do I keep preaching in the clinic that bending and twisting is one of the fastest ways to lock up your back? It happens all the time. Let's break down why. Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, sports physical therapist here at Rehab and Revive. Let's get to these answers shortly, and I'll show you one simple exercise to keep this problem from getting worse and maybe even jump-starting your healing. Why does twisting hurt your back so much? All right, here's some straight talk. The disc hates rotation under flexion. Your disc is built like a jelly-filled donut, the nucleus, wrapped in layered collagen rings, the annulus. Those rings are strong, but only when they're lined up and sharing the load evenly. When you bend forward, the disc pressure shifts backward. That's normal. When you twist at the same time, those annular fibers don't share the load. They split the moment. They're asked to rotate under tension. Nachemsen's classic studies show disc pressure spikes when you round your back, adding rotation. It stacks even more shear on top of that. This is the exact mechanism behind many herniations. Degeneration raises the stakes. If you're older, sit a lot, or have a history of back pain, your disc fibers already have age-related microtears. Degenerated discs lose water, can't resist shear or rotation well. Biomechanics research confirms that degenerated discs become far more vulnerable to twisting movements. It takes less force and fewer reps to cause injury. So the older and stiffer the spine, the bigger the risk. The lumbar spine isn't designed to rotate much. You actually only get about 2 to 3 degrees of rotation per lumbar segment. Your thoracic spine is supposed to handle most of our rotation. So when your thoracic spine is stiff, your lower back compensates. And that's when things go sideways. Research backs this. Healthy trunk rotation should come primarily from the thoracic spine. And when it doesn't, injury risk to the lumbar disc shoots up. Common exercises to avoid. These are the repeat offenders I see flare people up every single week. Russian twists, especially with weights. A flex spine plus rotation equals shear overload. Twisting sit-ups. Terrible combo of flexion and torque. Windshield wipers. Lumbar rotation under leverage. Seated twist machines, often done slumped, loads the disc dangerously. High-speed rotational work, kettlebell twists, wood chops, done with poor thoracic mobility. I'm not against rotation. I'm against lumbar rotation under load. What could you do instead? The 2 principles you should follow. 1, get rotation from the thoracic spine. Free that mid-back so the low back doesn't have to twist. So mobility first. 2, train anti-rotation in the core. Teach your lumbar spine to resist twisting. That's what keeps disc safe. Some simple exercises to start healing you can look up in other videos or something we can show in the future are the open book lumbar locked exercise or the quadruped thoracic rotation. Let us know what you think and drop any questions or love in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Justin Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.